Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by charging both earbuds and the case. This prevents interruptions. Once charged above 20%, enable Bluetooth on your phone so the device can scan. Open the case and press and hold the pairing button. Hold until the LED flashes or alternates. This signals the earbuds entered pairing mode. You do this because passive opening sometimes won't trigger discoverable state. Now, keep the case open and move to your phone's Bluetooth list to find the Hifuture entry. You now look at your phone's Bluetooth devices and tap the Hifuture model name. Once selected, accept any pairing prompts. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000 or accept the shown code. This secures the link. After tapping, listen for a confirmation tone from the earbuds and watch the phone show connected. This confirms handshake and audio routing. If you plan to use one earbud only, make sure the desired bud is seated correctly in your ear. Some models will. You finish by closing the case briefly, then reopening to ensure settings saved. Play music or make a test call to confirm audio and microphone function. If something's off, reboot the earbuds by placing them in the case, closing for 5 seconds, then reopening. This often clears transient glitches. If pairing still fails, make your phone forget the Hifuture device and rescan or clear Bluetooth cache. Doing this removes stale profiles so a fresh, clean connection can form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.